Shorty, man. Yo. It's Big Lou. Yo. I'm nice, but it might you don't with a fuck with me. Or just have a roll in my niggas from North East. Yo, my nigga Donnell and Mommy does this. Well, y'all niggas get TV, now they yo, couple of niggas, God, that real. These Northern niggas straight out that battlefield with competition under the table because I'm strong and niggas not able. Yo, I'm coming strong like a boulder. I'm a no limit rabbit and I thought y'all told you. Yo, smoked out all way, tight like hard way. North East niggas no way. Yo, I am the captain. Daddy got the crunch. Y'all niggas got the hunch. Yo, Jesus on. We put it in the air. That line brings smoke and we do not care. It goes on and on through the breaks of dawn. On and on. Y'all niggas know it's on. Stop a roll niggas to my LTD. Get lit niggas to my Curtis Swift. Put that shit in the air. In my back crack. In my 433 mind. Doing the job. Yo, and let them force. Deep pleasant. Capital height. Dog right. We for life. Yo, and Bloods roll through the 1-4. And man, we is so vicious. His switches. My little nigga Hopper. And to my nigga Drew. Stir it up like stew. Yo, they nigga Wade. My nigga Reed. Don't scratch that shit. Northeast got plenty of tricks. Yo, Omar. He fucking with Rob. We done got that bomb like superstars. Hey, daddy, it's outside. Y'all niggas with the I be grabbing y'all niggas. I be coming through and I do not fake. Y'all suckers rap if you fake, take. Hey, Lana Force, really good on. Hey, Bright C, I got a shriek. You want some sweets? On my posse beats, come on. Stick it on. Say what? Oh, what did I hear? Push it up. Tupac. Hellberg. Push it up. For Tupac. Where my real thugs at? Where my thugs at? Where my rough riders at? Huh? Hellberg. Hey, we gonna do it like we did it down in Mac. I want you to pump it up. Doug, let the beat work. it goes.